In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a sale invoice in Zoho Books. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each step to ensure you can create your invoice with confidence and ease. Let's dive in and get started. First, open Zoho Books and prepare to navigate through some essential steps. We'll begin by heading to the dashboard where the magic happens. Here, you want to focus your attention on the left-hand menu and click on the Sales option. This section is where you manage all your sales-related tasks and will be a critical area for your invoicing needs. Next, once you're in the sales section, you'll notice several options. What you need to do now is click on Invoices. This will take you to the main invoice dashboard. This area displays all of your existing invoices and is where you can review past transactions or start fresh with a new one. Now that you have an overview of your invoices, you'll want to create a new one. Look for the New button, usually located at the top or side of your screen, and go ahead and click on it. This will open a blank invoice form ready for you to complete. The first field you need to fill out is the customer name. Click on it and a drop-down list of your existing customers should appear. Select the appropriate customer for whom you're creating this invoice. If they're not in your list, you can add a new customer directly from this screen. Once the customer is selected, move on to the Invoice/ field. This will often auto-generate, but it's a good practice to ensure the number aligns with your internal records. Following this, enter the appropriate details in the order number field if applicable. Now it's time to set the invoice date. Clicking here will open a calendar for you to select the correct date of the transaction or service. Similarly, you'll want to fill in the Terms section to clarify the payment agreement you've arranged with your customer. Navigate to the Due Date field to specify when you'd like to receive payment. This is crucial for cash flow management, so be sure to stick with terms that suit your business needs. As you proceed, you'll encounter the Accounts Receivable section. Here you verify where the payment should go, typically linked to an account designated for customer payments. Next, if you have a particular salesperson assigned, select their name to track commissions or performance. Move to the subject line to enter a brief description of the invoice or service provided, then delve into item details. This area requires detailed information about each product or service included in the invoice. Specify quantities, rates, and any other pertinent data. If discounts apply, don't forget to click on the Discount option to adjust the price accordingly. This transparency helps maintain clear communication with your clients. Similarly, review the Shipping Charges section if applicable. Configure accordingly to cover all bases. Before wrapping up, take advantage of the Customer Notes section to add any personalized messages or essential information for your client. Additionally, revisit the Terms and Conditions to outline your company's policies clearly. Finally, before hitting Save, consider clicking on the drop-down to explore Select an Online Payment option to get paid faster. Offering online payment options like credit card or bank transfer can streamline the process significantly. To conclude, double-check all entered information for accuracy. Once you're satisfied, you can either click Save as Draft if you need further revisions later, or Save and Send to dispatch the invoice directly to your customer. This final step ensures your hard work is communicated to the right person. Congratulations, you've successfully created a sales invoice in Zoho Books.